Hey fellow travelers, I'm here to talk about a must-have gadget for anyone on the go, the portable charger with built-in cables. Now, I know how frustrating it is when you're exploring a new city or hiking a trail and your device runs out of battery. That's why I'm super excited to dive into this amazing product, the portable charger with built-in cables. So let's get into the details. This power bank isn't just any charger. It's equipped with a whopping 1000 mAh battery capacity. That's enough juice to charge your iPhone or Android device multiple times over. Imagine not having to worry about your phone dying in the middle of your adventure. But here's where it gets interesting. This charger features built-in cables. That means no more fumbling with tangled wires or realizing you forgot your charging cable at home. It has everything you need: Lightning, USB-C, and micro USB, all integrated into the body of the charger itself. And for those who like to share or have multiple gadgets, this charger has 6 outputs and 3 inputs, allowing you to charge multiple devices at once. Plus, it supports 3A fast charging, so you're not waiting around forever for your devices to charge up. Design-wise, it's slim and sleek, making it incredibly travel-friendly. It can easily slide into your pocket or backpack without taking up much space. The durability is top-notch too, built to withstand the rigors of travel. I've personally used this charger on my trips, and it's been a game changer. Whether I'm recording videos all day, using GPS, or keeping my music streaming, this charger has kept up without any hassle. And the built-in cables are a lifesaver. I can't tell you how many times they've saved me in a pinch. Now, if you're thinking about getting one for yourself, or as a gift for someone who loves to travel, I'd say it's absolutely worth it. The convenience, efficiency, and design make it one of the best travel accessories of the year. As always, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews and travel tips. Stay charged and ready for your next adventure, and never run out of battery again. Safe travels, everyone.